Okay, guys, this is the slideshow for 8.5F. They want to know how you can tell the difference between proportional and non-proportional situations. So we need to determine if the relationship is linear and the y-intercept is 0. That would be a proportional relationship. Let's see if we have some examples. Those are the notes. Okay, here we go. So this question is telling us it costs $2 a minute to use the internet at a resort. What statement is true? Well, I only see one number in this statement. So I know it can't be that, or this, or this. And since they say $2 a minute, that's like per minute, each minute, every minute. So we know this is a proportional statement because it doesn't start with any dollar amount. It's just $2 each minute. Your answer would be D. Let's go to the next one. So we have a table and it shows the values of x and y in a direct proportional relationship. What will the value of y be when x is 20? So I'm going to use my calculator on this. And I'm going to hit stat and I'm going to put this table in. Let me tab over here. So this is going to be a couple of steps here. So I'm going to find out the slope and if it has a y-intercept. Let's see if it does. So we have 4. We have 9. We have 14. I'll tab over, up. I have 14. I have 31.5. And I also have 49. I'm going to hit stat, tab 4, enter all the way down. And I can see that it does not have a y-intercept. And my equation is y equals 3.5x. So now I'm going to use that in my calculator. I'm going to hit y equals, and I'm going to put 3.5x. And now I'm going to hit second table. There's my values. So now I can go down to 20, and I can see x is going to be 70. Okay, so your answer would be J. Let's see what this one does. A teacher listed the following equations on the board. All the equations listed which of the equations listed represent non-proportional relationships? Well, if it's non-proportional, like we said, it will have a y-intercept. It will have a plus or minus b. It'll have the slope, y-intercept, therefore two numbers. That one just has the slope, just the slope, just the slope. This one has a slope and a y-intercept, so therefore it is the only one that is non-proportional. Let's look at another one. Which represents a non-proportional situation? Where, once again, we're looking for y equals mx plus b because it crosses the y-axis somewhere besides the origin. So this one has just a slope, just a slope. We have not even done anything that looks like that. This one has a slope and a y-intercept, so your answer is A. Let's look at another one. We have a table, and they want to know what is true by this table. If we have a table, we're going to use stat edit. So I'm going to go to stat, enter, and I'm going to put in x as 3, 4, 6, and 10. I'm going to tab over, and I'm going to put 13, 17, whoops, stat. Okay, here we go. I'm I'm going to put 13, 17, 25, and 41. I'm going to hit Stat, Tab 4, enter all the way. And I know my slope is 4, and my y-intercept is 1. So this is the only one it could be, 4 and 1. Your answer would be G. Okay, this one says, which graph shows a non-proportional linear situation? And we know non-proportional means it does not go through the origin. So this one goes through the 0, 0. This one does, and this one does. This is the only one that does not, therefore it is non-proportional. Not sure why it's typing at the bottom, but we'll figure it out later. Okay, 8.5F, we're still on this one. Here we go. So this guy rented a kayak for 6 hours, and they want to know how much he is charged. So here's your 6. So you're going to go up, over, and you can see that he was charged $80. That's it. That's all you have to do. And that will do it. That's the slideshow for 8.5F. I'm glad you worked the problems. I hope you understand. If you don't, tutorials are every day from 9 to 10. Please join us. And your assignment is on the next page. Thank you for watching.